Next topic is factors and multiples. The exercise 3.4 is based on these concepts only. So factors, what do you mean by factors? Suppose if I say कि find the factors of 4, so we have to find the numbers in which 4 come. हमको ऐसे tables देखना है जिसमें 4 आता है. So factors of 4. So 1, because we know 1 is a factor of every number. सब का फैक्टर होता है 1. देन 2, बिकॉज 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. So factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. Suppose if I am talking about factors of 6, means 6 किस किस के टेबल में आता है? Factors of 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 8, 1, 2, then 4 and 8. And if I am talking about find the common factors of 4, 6 and 8. Common means जो तीनों में है. Common factors of 4, 6 and 8 means you have to find the factors of common factors. मतलब जो तीनों जिसके टेबल में आ रहे हैं. तो common factor क्या हो जाएगा? 1, then 2, 4 and 8. 4 is a common factor between 4 and 8 but 6 में नहीं है. So common factors 1 and 2. And just remember this, the numbers those who are having only one common factor, that is 1. अगर कोई number ऐसे हैं, suppose 2 numbers are having only one common factor, that is 1, that numbers are called co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. So factors क्या होते हैं? किसके टेबल में वो नंबर आता है, that numbers are called factors. Okay. Multiples. What do you mean by multiples? Multiples of 4 means 4 को when we multiply with natural numbers, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So when we multiply any number with natural numbers, that are called multiples. So multiples of 4 मतलब 4 का table, simple. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, like this. Multiples of 6 means 6 का टेबल, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Suppose if I say find the common multiple of 4 and 6. Common multiple of 4 and 6. So common multiple जो दोनों में आ रहे हैं. So 12, then 24. If I am talking about 2 common multiples, तो 12 and 24 and 36 also. If we say कि find 3 common multiples of 4 and 6, so 36 should be included, because 28, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32 and 4 9s are 36. So if 3 common multiples if we want to find, then 12, 24 and 36. And if I am talking about find 2 common multiples, first 2 common multiples, so 12 and 24. So 12, 24, 36. These are the first 3 common multiple of 4 and 6.